Hello everyone, Prado here and welcome to my channel. I quickly want to share my workspace and the new standing table that I've been working with. It's amazing. Let's get in the video. Alright, so I'm going to start with my workspace, which is this right here. I have a laptop, I have a secondary monitor, the book I'm reading right now, my daily thoughts. That's pretty simple, basic things, pens. Those are pretty simple as well. The books I'll be reading in the night or whenever I get free. Ring light, mask, super important, stay hydrated, dustbin, change if I have any coins on me. Books, very beautiful jacket, love this one. The hoodie, a map, I have a stand, whiteboard, chair, pretty simple. That is what we're going to talk about. This is our standing table, but I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Alright, so now that we know how my workspace look like, let's convert my sitting table into standing table. Let's go. Alright, before I convert this table into a standing table, I have to remove these things. The first thing that goes is my monitor, a laptop. That's it. I don't have to remove anything else. Nothing else. I just have to keep this in the middle, pick this up, and now get these locks on. Alright, quick story of how this table became a thing. I had a whole lot of back pain because of too much sitting on my chair, and I realized that I need a standing table. I searched online, I couldn't find anything. It was too expensive. I couldn't find any solution for this on the internet. Some time ago, I had some carpenters come work in my place, and I realized that this is the right time to tell them that I have this issue and do you have any solution. They came up with a solution, but that didn't work out for me. But I realized that I could probably use something similar to what they share. So what I did is I gave them this idea of getting them a wood, and they can probably give me something. So I realized this is my size, and I told them give me exactly something like this, and here we are. Alright, so I'm gonna set it back up. Let's check it out. There you go. So this comes over here. This goes over there. This goes over here. I have an extension plugged over here. It's already screwed, so it keeps things much organized and much faster to shift. So yeah, this is basically it. I can get back to work. I can stand. I can work whenever I want. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.